Well, my second time going up, I got beat by a 700 Raptor, but not too bad. These tires are really thick and heavy. I think I chose the wrong tires. I want to get some like he has. That's what all the other YZ450s are running also. So I'll try that next time. I had this problem another time with running heavy tires. Well, joke's on me. I was in such a hurry to get this bike together. After I adjusted everything, the limiter screw was still in the throttle body. I never adjusted it. I was only getting 3/4 throttle. So, this thing will do choke cherry, no problem. About time. Alright, invasion. We got my test rider here. He's going to try to do the choke cherry. The tires we chose were a little heavy on here, so it's not getting proper traction, but we'll see what happens. I guess I didn't lug her out long enough at the end. That's all right. My first time ever at St. Anthony Sand Dunes.